Hi, for this video, we are going to talk about evaluating algebraic expressions. So for our previous lessons, we already discussed about algebraic expressions. And basically, these are expressions that contains constants and variables. Now, variables, they are letters in the alphabet that is used in algebra to represent the unknown. Okay, so how do we evaluate algebraic expression? So let's start for this first example. So let's say we will evaluate the expressions below given that x is equal to 2. Okay, so the given algebraic expressions are the following. So we have first is 3x, and then the second one is 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay. So we have first a monomial, and then the second one is a trinomial. Okay, so how do we evaluate these expressions given that x is equal to 0? So basically, evaluating algebraic expressions, we need to follow two steps. So the first step is we need to replace the given variable in the expression by its number value. Okay? Na nakalagay dun sa direction ng problem. And that method is what we call the substitution method in algebra. So we need to substitute the numerical value of the given variable to the expression para ma-evaluate natin siya. And then right after natin ma-substitute, we need to apply the second step, which is we need to carry out all the operations in proper order. So when we say in proper order, we will use Gemdas, or what we call commonly as Pemdas, no? So pinalitan lang yung P, ginawang G. Kasi when we talk about G, it talks about groupings, which is very malawak, no? Kung ikukumpara mo sa Pemdas na P is for parentheses, no? Sa Gemdas, we are talking about groupings. So later on, magbibigay ako ng example wherein mapapakita ko din sa inyo how to apply Gemdas. Okay? So first, let's evaluate letter A, which is 3x. So una nating step is papalitan natin yung x ng 2. Kasi according dito sa direction, x is equal to 2. And always remember, every time na magpapalit tayo or magsa-substitute tayo, we are going to put a parenthesis. Okay, so 3, si x papalitan natin ng 2, we need to put a parenthesis there. Okay, so now, the operation that we need to use is multiplication kasi there is a presence of parentheses. Just like what I'm saying to you, kapag may parentheses, therefore, that is an indication na you need to multiply. So, 3 times 2, the answer here is 6. So, that's it. Yun na yun. And then, the second example, we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. So, dito papalitan natin si x ng 2. So, again, write a parenthesis, indication na you substitute the value of the variable. So, 2, and then naka-squared siya. Plus 4, and then parenthesis, and then 2, minus 1. And then, applying Gemdas, so groupings, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here, ang una natin gagawin is yung exponent. Okay? So we need to simplify this expression in exponential form. So 2 squared, that is equal to 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Okay, plus 4, and then, ayan, kinapi lang natin yung nauna. Okay? So, una natin gagawin is we need to multiply. Okay? I-multiply muna natin bago natin i-add and i-subtract. Kasi yun yung order of operations sa Gemdas. No? Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So, multiply natin 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. Plus 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. And then minus 1. So, sa Gemdas, ang addition and subtraction, they are equal. Same as multiplication and division. So, pwede nyo silang pagsabayin. So, imbes na isa-isahin nyo pa itong isolve, you can just straight up add and subtract ng dire-diretso. So, 8 plus 8, that is equal to 16, minus 1, that is equal to 15. And that will be your answer here. No? How about another example? So, mag-level up tayo. Let's say we have 2 variables. And let's say we have A is equal to negative 1 and B is equal to 5. And the given expression is this that you need to evaluate for A, B minus 2 all over 2A. So again, first, you need to substitute the value of the variables in the expression. So, substitute natin yung value ni A and B sa expression. So, we have 4, and then yung A natin, again, pag nagsasubstitute, you need to put parentheses para indication na you already substituted the value of the variable. So, negative 1, and then B natin is 5, minus 2 all over 2, and then A natin is negative 1. So here, i-multiply natin sila for us to get rid of the parentheses. So 4 times negative 1, that is equal to negative 4, times 5, that is equal to negative 20. Negative 20 minus 2. All over, multiply din natin to. 2 times negative 1, that is equal to negative 2. And then what will happen is, solve natin yung numerator. So here, negative 20 minus 2, that is equal to negative 22 all over negative 2. And if the given is in fraction form, it is an indication na you need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this case po is negative 22, divide mo siya sa negative 2, the answer will be positive 11. Okay, negative 22 divided by negative 2, the answer is positive 11. So basically, you need to make sure na natatandaan nyo pa yung lesson natin regarding operations on integers. Okay, para makasunod kayo dito. And then lastly, how about if we have 3 variables? So let's say we have x is equal to negative 2, we have y is equal to 3, and then we also have z is equal to 7. And the given expression that you need to evaluate is so, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na groupings, no, sa Gemdas. So, basically, para ma-apply natin yung Gemdas, you need to remember itong mga symbols na to. So, una muna is parentheses, and then next is what we call the braces, and then yung brackets, no? So kapag in-apply natin yung Gemdas po, when it comes sa groupings, ang una nating isosolve is yung nasa loob ng parentheses. And then, susundan nung nasa loob ng braces. And then, susundan ng nasa loob ng brackets. So, ganun po yung sa groupings, no? So, in this case, before natin sila i-solve, of course, we need to first substitute the value of the variable. So, 3, and then value ng x natin is -2, plus, then brackets, yung y natin is 3, so, di na natin siya siguro lalagyan ng parentheses, no? Kasi wala naman siyang katabi na coefficient, unlike 3x. So, we can just put 3 straight up, no? 3 minus, and then braces, 2, and then yung z natin is 7. Minus, as you can see, yung sa 1 plus 2 natin, we can already solve this part. Pwede na natin siya i-simplify eh. 1 plus 2, so erase ko lang yung parentheses. We can already write the answer. So 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. And then braces, then brackets. So, here, kung napapansin ninyo, una nating isosolve yung may parentheses. Two times 7, that is equal to 14. So, kung napapansin nyo, I write symbols, no? Pero itong symbols na sinulat ko is wrong. So, every time na lumiliit or nawawala yung grouping, susundin natin yung order na sinulat ko kanina, which is in this form. So, imbis na braces yung nandito, I am going to change this as yung parentheses. And imbis na brackets yung nandito, braces yung ilalagay natin. Okay? Kasi parang na-cancel out mo na, napaliit mo na yung mga term dito. So, continuing the solution, 3 times quantity -2, and then plus, solve natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses, which is 14 minus 3. So, masasolve na natin siya. Therefore, we can get rid of the braces. Pwede natin ipalit na yung parentheses. So, we have 3 minus 14 minus 3. That is equal to 11. Okay? So, yan, unti-unti na nawawala yung groupings. And always remember na when you apply Gemdas, the solution must be, or the computation must be from left to right. Hindi pwede na right to left mo siya solve it. Dapat from left to right. Okay? And then we have 3 times -2 plus itong nakagroup. We need to get rid of this. So, solve natin. 3 minus 11, that is equal to -8. So, I'm going to put parentheses para indication na negative yung sign ni 8. So, don't be confused, no? And then, next is, pwede natin multiply si 3 kay -2. The answer is -6 plus -8. So, -6 plus -8, that will be equal to -40. Okay? So, That's it, no? You just need to remember yung order ng operations, which is yung Gemdas, and then yung sa groupings din. So that's it. That is how you evaluate algebraic expressions.